As a Sellwell Club member, you know just how important that pre-listing strategy is, and we talk about it multiple times on our coaching calls and different strategies and how to implement it. But one of the most common bits of feedback we're getting from you is, where do we find the ideal supplier? Now, I know I spent months trying to find an ideal supplier to be able to deliver me something that was consistent, because branding, consistency is always going to be a big part of it. So we listened, and now you can actually get your Sellwell boxes directly through us. These are pretty cool. I'm very excited about it. I actually wish I had something of this quality when I was selling myself, but now you do. Very, very simple process. If you want to customize them, you can upload a logo, answer a few simple questions, and we can have those done and shipped directly to your door. So you'll have no more excuses about, couldn't find the ideal box, or things were just a little bit slow, a little bit late. This is the time to start elevating. Listings is our focus. That's the strategy of what we want to do to make 2024 a great year. So can't stress it enough. Jump online, grab your Sellwell boxes, customize them, put your brand on it, be proud of what you're doing, and let's get these things out there and make sure that we dominate the market and make 2024 a fantastic year.